good morning, gentlemen, and thank you so much for your time. And let's start taking the queries then. The very first query that we have is coming in from a live caller. We have Pankaj on the phone line. And Pankaj, hi, morning. We have Jigar as well as Gaurang with us. Go on and ask your query.
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन है NACL पर आई हैव बॉट 2000 शेयर 310 रुपीज व्हाट शुड आई डू मैम होल्ड शॉर्ट टर्म मेरा होराइजन
NACL Industries is what I can see is down almost 3.5% in trade today. Jigar, what's your view on this one? He wants a short-term view on this particular counter. What's the outlook here? But Pankaj, I believe that it must be in August, somewhere around August that you have entered this.
31st August 2025.
Okay.
Bought the share. हाँ जी मैम.
Yeah, I believe because that's somewhere around the peak of that particular price, very close to its 52-week high. But Jigar, what's your reading over there? Because the stock has corrected quite a much and he's sitting at a loss. How do you see the stock performing in the near term?
Very good morning, everyone. Overall, the stock looks pretty much weak as of now, currently sitting near 200-day DEMA as well as SMA. So there is a little pain left because support is expected near 170, 172 mark, and where we are expecting the base creation around 172, 180 odd levels. So as of now, I would advise to hold and keep a stop loss of below 170 because the major turnaround may be seen from this particular level, and later on we may see the testing of around 225 within next 3 to 4 months. So as of now, the hold would be the suggestion.
That's a hold call coming in on NACL. But Gaurang, I know that you won't be able to give a short-term view on this one, but if one has to look at the medium-term outlook, what will be your advice? I believe even in the September quarter, the company did not perform very well.
Thank you so much, Shrishti, for having me on the show. Good morning to you and to all the viewers of ET Now. A small disclosure before I go any further that all recommendations on the show this morning are a part of our research team recommendation. Our company, Geojit or I, we do not have any personal investment, no conflict of interest, no financial interest, but we give recommendations to our clients on similar lines. They might have their investment interest. Now, first of all, you are absolutely right. We don't have coverage on this company, so I won't be able to give any specific, but a word of advice to this investor, is not an investor, rather he is a short-term trader. See, if you buy a stock at 300 plus levels, and if you see it coming down to sub 200, then I think your alarm bell should ring quite long back. Because when your capital gets eroded to the extent of 60-70%, then the recovery of capital itself becomes a big question mark. That's especially in the stock market, especially on stocks like this company. Like you were mentioning, the news flows or the numbers were not good, and we've seen this kind of correction. So you need to be very, very careful when you are investing in stock market. If you are trading from a short to medium term, you need to have 10x risk and you need to be very, very cautious. No specific comments since we don't have coverage. If he wants an alternative investment idea, I don't know if he's ready for that or not. But companies like L&T Finance, which has hit a lifetime high, if I'm not mistaken, or something like an Ashok Leyland. These are all, companies where you should have, or even a defense company, public sector company called BEL. These are, growth stories. You should invest from a long-term point of view in these companies.